Should you enroll in review classes? Or is it better to just spend all your time reading by yourself? Are review classes necessary? No. They're not. Are review classes helpful? Yes, they are. If you can afford it, review classes will help you cover areas you missed out on while cramming in law school. They may even provide updates on law or jurisprudence. If it is too expensive, share accounts with a friend for those review classes that allow online viewing. Look for buddies who are reviewing in other centers and ask to swap handouts with each other. If you really can't afford it, ask for handouts from your friends who enrolled. How to choose your review center? Your priority should be to check their list of lecturers. Ask around if those lecturers are any good. Should you attend every lecture? Probably not. Attend the first lecture to gauge if the style of the lecturer will fit you. If he or she speaks too slow or has too many jokes, or is all over the place, leave. You're better off studying by yourself. Ask yourself, will I remember what I heard today in 2 weeks? If not, then you probably will forget it in a few months come bar exam time. That means you just wasted your time. So, write it down by longhand. Prepare 8 notebooks just for lectures. Since fast note-taking might be messy, it would be useful to separate this from the notebooks you'll use when you're reading by yourself. More on that on the next video. You can also use your laptop. Use free programs like Evernote or Microsoft OneNote. You can use them on your laptop or mobile devices. It makes organizing your notes easy. Locating your notes is crucial when you are pressed for time. You also get to practice your typing skills. If you type fast, try to get everything. If not, just write down the crucial matters such as doctrines, proper interpretation of a law or how a particular law is related to another law, etc. Don't be lazy about note-taking during lectures. You're more focused. It keeps you engaged and helps prevent you from falling asleep. Ultimately, it helps you retain information better. Should you enroll in mock bar exams? It's good to try one mock bar. Look for a center that allows you to take only one mock bar subject. Do not attend more than one. It will not be a good return on the time you will spend attending more than one. On our next video, we'll be tackling the question on which materials should you use when reviewing for the bar exam. Don't panic. It's organic. You can do this.